Good afternoon to all of you. So today we discuss regarding the topic that is a study of air screen cleaners. Study of air cleaners having first one, that is the objective. First one, to understand the actual working of air screen cleaner. Second objective, to study the construction parts, its assembly, its adjustments. Introduction. The air screen machine is the basic cleaner in most seed processing plant, and it means that different seed processing plant air screen cleaner is important. Almost all seed must be cleaned by an air screen cleaner before a specific operation can be attempted, and many seed lots can be completely cleaned by these machines. When selecting a size and type of air screen cleaner, several factors must to be considered. These factors are as follows. First one, that is the power requirement. Second one, that is the amount and kind of seeds to be processed. And third one, easy of cleaning the equipments. In air screen cleaner, the separation is done on the basis of size and the weight of seeds. This is a very important. Air screen cleaners separate the grains according to its size and weight of the seeds. It consists of three elements. First one, that is the aspirations. Second one, scalping. And third one, that is the grading, aspiration or the blower. To remove the lighter materials or the particles from the seed mass, to suck the lighter particles. Second one, that is the scalping, removal of a few large particles in an initial process, and a good seeds are dropped through a screen openings. It means scalping, it is the first initial process, removal of a few large particles, and good seeds should be dropped through the screen openings. Then third one, that is the grading, in which good crop seeds ride over the screen openings while smaller products drop through. It means that good seeds which is ride over the screens and collected at the trough, and another the smaller products that should be dropped through the particular screens. To understand and successfully operations of any seed processing machines, the operator must know three things. First one, that is the component part of machines and the operations they perform. Second one, the flow of seeds through the machines. And third one, the adjustment which affect the precision of separation and the capacity of the machines. So these are the three things keep in mind for the operators while operating the air screen cleaners. Then these are the different components and the parts of the air screen cleaners. We take one by one. First one, that is the feed hopper. Second one, that is the screen cleaner. Third one, that is brushes. Fourth one, that is tappers or the screen knockers. Fifth one, that is shoes. Sixth one, that is eccentric. Seventh one, that is the fan. And eighth one, that is the air chest. Feed hoppers. The feed hoppers having the three types of feed hoppers. First one, roll feed hoppers. Second one, roll feed brush hoppers. Third one, metering hoppers. Roll feed hoppers. It is recommended when clean small seeds that contain very little trash. Second one, roll feed brush hoppers. It handles trashy seeds. It prevents seed clogging and maintains steady flow to the screens. Third one, that is the metering hopper. It is designed to feed all kinds of seeds from small clover and grass seeds to the longest bean seed accurately and continuously. So these are the three types of feeding hoppers. Second type, that is the screens. This is the very important. It performs both the scalping and grading operations. It separates crop seeds from the foreign material. Other crop seeds, weed seeds, screens are constructed of either perforated sheet metal or the woven wire mesh. Opening in a perforated metal screen may be rounded openings, oblong opening, triangular openings. Opening in wireless screens are a square and rectangular. Generally, for the designing of the screens, openings as per the requirements. Some openings are the rounded in shape, some openings are the oblong in shape, some openings are the triangular in shapes. Generally, the round openings are measured by the diameter of the openings, and the diagrams of the actual openings, perforated openings, which is below given.